namin. Aming munting salon. This is my Wella cabinet. So, we're here. Nandito tayo sa Robinson's Galleria. Papunta ako dun sa place na where I work. It's Lux Nail Lounge. And we're here.
Hi, good afternoon.
Ay, hi! Hi, Miss Karen.
Hello, good afternoon.
Si Miss Karen ang receptionist ng Lux Nail Lounge.
Hi, we have basic mani-pedi with 10 minutes massage. Then we have Lux and Cocoon and Lounge.
So, sa Lux po ako nag-work. Nag-freelance ako sa Lux Nail Lounge kasi yung owner gumawa sila naglagay sila ng 3 chairs. So, yung Lux Nail Lounge ngayon may salon na din. Yan. Ay, eto pala si Bangs. Eto si Miss Bangs. Eto yung resident stylist ng Lux Nail Lounge. Yan. Ang reyna ng kagandahan.
May ganon?
Oo, may ganon. Sige, ngayon guys, ito-tour ko kayo ha. So, ito yung reception area. Ito yung money tree na binili ni Miss Banks. Kasi pampaswerte daw eh. So, may gel polish kami, Brazilian blowout. Ayan, pipili sila ng nail color.
Zoya, we had branded.
Zoya, may mga branded.
Orly.
So, ito yung receiving area ng Lux Nail Lounge.
Ayan ang salon.
Ito yung salon namin.
Go
Ito yung
inside.
aming munting
Check it out.
salon. So, dati, 3 chairs lang siya. 1, 2, 3. Tapos ngayon, naglagay sila, nag-extend sila. Ayan, si Angel, nagpaparetouch ng roots niya. So yan, makeup station, at the same time, hair na rin siya. Tapos, andito na yung nails. Ito yung aming infrared machine. Si Roberto. Ang pangalan niya si Roberto. Ay! Gusto niyo ba makilala si Chelsea? Hali kayo. Everyone, meet Chelsea! Chelsea, mag-hi ka naman! Chelsea! 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 Chelsea!
Pero may drama. Bakit naman sa bad si Chelsea? May drama yan kasi yung mga color.
Oo, ang takay ni... Naka-unicorn hair!
Iba-iba yan.
Naka-unicorn hair si Chelsea!
Yan inahin mga color.
Oo. It is the color of the rainbow.
Nagano yung iba-ibang hair yan.
And, ito yung nail area. Ito naman ang aming back bar. Ito yung mga shampoo na ginagamit namin. Andyan yung mga shampoo, mga bowls. Ito yung shower cap, timer, ear cap, yung bowl ko dun sa likod. Hindi ko masyadong ginagamit. Color remover ng Elgon. Stain remover pala. Ito naman yung scalp treatment after color. Of course, ang aking ginagamit na sulfate-free na shampoo. pH 5. So, it's good for the hair. Yan. Ito yung aming shampoo bowl na minsan may topak. Pero carry lang. Carry lang siya. Ito ang aming color bar. Dito kami nagmi-mix ng mga color. So, ito nyo naman. Yan. Kakamix ko lang ng blueberry bleach. Tsaka, of course, I use Olaplex. Sorry. Hindi ako nakapag-prepare. So, hindi yung mga towel namin. Ayan yung mga... Tsaka sali. So, dito... ito mga gamit ng isang stylist si Leonard. Dito yung mga gamit niya. Guys. I will show you my... Ito naman yung CR. And then, nandito yung stock room ko. Since, di ba, I'm a freelance hair colorist, of course, may own stocks ako. Guys, this is my favorite. This is my Wella cabinet. So, I have all my Illumina colors here. Naka-arrange siya. Developer ng Wella, Welluxon Perfect. Tapos, ito yung mga color touch ko. Yan. Tsaka itong mga anik-anik lang na mga, you know, like extra colors that I have lying around. Like ito. I mean, guys, I don't know. Gusto niyo ba ito tignan? Or, pakita ko na lang. Ito dati, yeah, this is also color. This is Dia Riches ng L'Oreal. I just keep them there. And of course, andito, whole stock siya. These are my Elgon colors. I arranged it by kung ano yung nakikita ko by the color chart. So, andyan yung mga ash ko, mga warm colors, and then the high lift blondes are there. Here, mamaya na yan. I like that. Here naman, okay, like, oh my god, nakakahiya. Oh my god. So, okay, so ito yung random, ko na cabinet. Okay. Okay, sa taas, ayan, meron akong highlight. Tapos meron akong color ID. Teka, ano ba nandito? Yeah, may mga random. Sebastian, may Lumen Oil ako from Elgon. Color touch ko. At saka, hindi ko pa na-arrange. Oh my god, guys. I'm so sorry. Hindi ko pa na-arrange. Color touch, Illumina. Tapos, Oxidant, of course. And, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. And, this one is yung color remover ng Elgon. Need. Super kailangan. If, yeah. Oxidants. Oh my god. Ito, 10-minute hair color. Ito siya naman. I bought this during Hair Asia. I haven't tried it yet. But, it's Agora Royale. It's the Demi-Permanent Acid-Based color. Ammonia-free. From Schwarzkopf. I'll try that soon. What else? This one, yeah, this is where I have, extra na mga sulfate-free shampoo, the Color Fix mask. This is good for, for my clients who have color-treated hair, who want their color to last longer. This is what I, most often than not, provide them. Brazilian Blowout, I have here, and then I have like an Olaplex number 2, some Olaplex number 3 that I sell for when they want to treat their hair at home. And this is my favorite cabinet! Wow. Okay, let's see what we have here. I have, this is my bleaches from EC na bleach. Meron din ako, wait lang, I'll save that. Sorry. Meron din ako, of course, I have Blondor. I have Wella, the Blonde Studio Balayage Lightener. I have here, ito pala yung ginagamit ko ng mga bleaches, guys. Ito naman siya is Elgon Ammonia Free Bleach. Oh, see? And then I also have, yeah, blue bleach ng Elgon. SP Lux Oil. And then I have some, here I have Manic Panics. I have colors, highlight, colors from Elgon, purple. This one is still Manic Panic. Perfect Pastel. Fleur de Mauve. That's the shade. Manic Panic Fleur de Mauve. Ciao. Ito naman siya. This is Eye Care C111 Blue. Yan. I also have, wait, tanggalin ko na makita mo na siya. Yan. So, I have ito, Elgon. I have this one in Ruby Red. I use this for my pinks. Mga random color. This is Dolce by Elgon. Ammonia-free na color. Of course, I also have Sebastian, Cellophane here. This is my stuff, my personal stuff. Yeah, same Elgon pa din. Oh, I also have this. The Manic Panic Amplified Vampire Red. So, I don't know, maybe if you wear it, you're gonna be a vampire. Probably, I don't know. And then, ooh, this one I bought from Barbie Dolls, Davao. Hi, Barbie Dolls! Is La Riche Directions. So, ito mga, I haven't really used this yet. I have this Mandarin color, Mandarin. This one, it's apricot, orange. Orange, see? If you guys notice, hindi pa siya na-open. It's still, ooh, this is Sparks. This is when I tried to join Hair Asia. Crystal clear, so you use this to make pastelize, vale. To make the colors more pastel. And this one, Sparks din siya, Pink Kiss, there. So I mix this to get a super pastel pink color that I entered Hair Asia. This one naman, this is Blue Moon. It's a darker blue from Manic Panic. So this is just random stuff that I bought. And also my sister, Donna. Hi, Donna! Guys, sorry, naubusan ako ng memory sa phone. Sige, continue natin. Let's continue! Okay, I also have here some fluorescent glow. I don't know if it's glow in the dark, but I haven't tried this yet. So, sino ba dyan gusto magpakulay nito? Message me. Baka pwede natin gawa ng video. Message me lang. And white toner, of course, it's purple base to neutralize all the unwanted yellow tones you're gonna be left with. Yeah. This one's the silver La Riche. Thank you, Barbie Dolls. Thank you. Follow them on Instagram at Barbie Dolls. Here is Carnation Pink. So, yon. And of course, I also have here Magma. Magma is a lightener or bleach from Wella that lightens and then deposits color at the same time. This is my favorite shade, guys. Yeah, natural brown intense. So here I have my Simon colors. I have green. Ito naman blue. Ano ba to? Ito black. If gusto kong if I want to add more depth to the color, I would add black. Yeah, purple. Some more purple. Yeah, these are color wax. And then this one, I also have the eye light from Elgon. See, this is Shine Silver. It's a good toner also. What else? Green, purple, yellow. I have yellow. I have all the colors here basically. Kasi pag kompleto ko yung mga colors, I can make or I can customize I can basically make every shade in the book. Or every shade in the rainbow. So there, guys. Yun yung stocks ko. I hope you guys like that. Was it fun? Was it fun? Nakita niyo yung mga stocks ko dun sa likod? Sige, if you think it's fun, you can comment sa baba or kung ano pang gusto niyo makita. Yeah, so ito naman here. Ito yung mga color charts namin. Yeah, this is Elgon 10-minute color. Yeah, I have Elgon. Ito yung color chart. I'll show you here. Yung mga favorite namin is ito yung mga double ash nila. Kasi super ash. And then yung ito, olive green, matte color. And, ooh, Illumina by Wella. I love this. Yung mga shades niya, those are the warm. Ito naman yung mga cool color, sorry. Color touch. So yeah, there's a salon tour.